In the lead up to Father's Day, we continue to highlight men who are super dads to their community. This morning, we're talking about Lieutenant Clive Levy, who's definitely one of them. Nicole Levy is with us, his daughter, and Sergeant Linval Scott, and they both nominated him. I'm going to read a bit from Nicole's letter. It says, I'd like to nominate the best dad in the world, Mr. Clive A. Levy, a.k.a. Super Dad. He's very active in his community, which is Bushy Park in St. Catherine, and is affectionately called Fat Man or Levy. He's a mentor for the students of the cadet force at Jose Marte High and basically all the young people in Spring Village. He trains young persons from his community to cook. He operates his own catering company, and then he uses their training to work at other food establishments. Now, he's actually very sick, losing his vision due to diabetes. But that doesn't stop him from always putting others and their needs first. He has a little smile on his face because he knows he's sitting on the set, but he had no idea that this is why he was going to be sitting on the set. Morning, Lieutenant. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
Hearing this and that you are nominated for Super Dad, how does that make you feel? I see it. I see the water welling up. Tell me about it.
I don't know. I just, my father was my super dad, and he died early. Mm-hmm. And then after he died, the cadet force became my father. Mm-hmm. And I got helped through it, and I gave back. I've been a cadet from 1974.
Wow.
Excellent program. And I've given back. I have trained a lot of young people who are now doctors, lawyers, pilots, you name it, you know. And then I became a father. And it was a crushing experience because she was born 12 days after Hurricane Gilbert.
What?
In the disaster.
Yes.
You know? So, and it has been fun with her so far, growing up. I mean, she tells me I'm cruel because I do things.
He plays practical jokes all the time.
Oh.
Never a dull moment with her.
Yeah.
But we're friends. She speaks to me. She comes to me with problems. If I don't know it, I try to get the answer for her.
Nice.
And you know, it has been a good game from get-go. I mean, the first day she was born, and the nurse said, Lieutenant, this is your daughter. She looked at me and she cut her eye. And I said, yes.
That's my daughter.
That's a problem, child.
We're looking at the pics, Nicole. I mean, they always talk about daughters and their relationship with their fathers, but we can see that you two are very close. Talk to me about Daddy.
Daddy's a really good guy. He is very jovial, sometimes too jovial. Everything, you know, he doesn't really get upset, you know. Everything is a joke to him. There's always some humor. I remember growing up when I used to go to Immaculate, I was, you know, rebellious kid or whatever, and he goes, listen, I'll come up there in a belly skin and show everybody and tell everybody.
You come up there in a belly skin?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I would have straightened up right
away.
Oh, my gosh.
Into shape. Can you imagine? So, but you see, the thing about that is that even though he's so fun and he's jovial, you can talk to him, he's strict. So, you know, he doesn't really say, no, you can't do this, or no, you shouldn't do this. He says, if you do this, this is what's going to happen. If you do this, this is going to happen. So you choose what consequence you want to live with. But then there's some things where you kind of have to do what Daddy say.
Yeah. Some things he knows better, and he put his foot down and say, no, you can't.
Even now, as a grown woman.
Oh, well, Daddy is always Daddy. Sergeant Scott, talk to me about Lieutenant Levy.
Well, as she said, he's very jovial. So we planned, and he didn't know about it. So now I'm actually worried about
what the consequences will be.
Yes, I know I'll get home, actually. So he, as she said, he's very jovial and he's always having fun. And
he's a mentor for you. You're part of the cadet force at
Yes.
Jose Marte. What difference has the cadet force made in your life?
Well, in my life.
Yeah.
So the cadet teaches a lot of different aspects. So like it teaches us to teach. Its focus is on leadership See, as a sergeant, I'm in charge of many other individuals, and that has helped me as a leader and as a student at the
Nice.
school as
Discipline
also.
as well.
Yes.
So the good thing about Lieutenant is discipline, but still fun.
Yes.
Helping you as young people to enjoy the life that you have.
Yes.
What makes him a super dad to you and to the cadet team?
Well, he's always there. So whenever we need him, we can count on him, and he'll always be there and on time.
No, and on time.
Yes.
Well, a cadet him can't late, you know. Lieutenant Levy, dads get a bad rap sometimes in Jamaica. So I'm glad you're here because I think they're great dads, but we don't hear about them often enough. For the fathers that are watching that may be having a little challenge, what is your word of advice to them?
Ignore all the negative and focus on your child's development, irrespective of what happened. The guidance that you give a child now is what we bring on to your grandchildren and your great-grandchildren. So you can't be distracted looking left or right. Because even when I have struggles, I can't make sure because she depends on me from growing up to be there. And I have to be there. I've missed meetings for her. I've missed flights for her, because I was actually supposed to go to Germany to work. And she said to me, "You cannot leave me." So I turned down the job in Germany. Right, so you owe me.
That's okay.
You're going to get a belly skin appearance. Trust me, the belly skin is coming.
But we have had fun. We have had fun. I remember when she was 15, and she come to Daddy, I need to go to this party. I said,
No,
why?
Daddy, no.
I said, why? I said, yes, yep. And she begged and she pleaded. I said, okay, go to the party. At 12 o'clock, I called her. Nicole, hi, Daddy. I said, Nicole, tell a boy to take my hand from earlier. Jesus Christ, Daddy, where you there? I said, I have to be there. I was a teenager too. So things like these,
Yeah. Yeah, nice, Daddy, because sometimes people think discipline has to be this harsh, violent way, but you found a way to balance it.
Yes.
And to get the point made. It's awesome to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. But guess what? We have a gift for you. Several gifts, as a matter of fact.
Whoa.
We have, from American Jewelers, a gift certificate valued at $10,000.
Thank you.
I think when you find the right jewelry to wear with the belly skin, you're going to look awesome. This is a gift certificate from Totally Mail.
Oh.
So tell them you're going to wear the belly skin, so they must wax the belly button.
It's a lot of waxing.
Yes.
Sandra's my friend.
And we're also giving you dinner for two at Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you. Because it's difficult to get some people to be a dad, and you're a dad to an entire community.
Yeah.
And to young men who need it. So it really is awesome meeting you. I don't want to meet your belly skin though. I'm telling you, spare me.
No, I try not to create a riot.
No, please don't.
Don't get him started.
No, I won't.
He's actually like up to date with all the new dances, our new songs.
True, Daddy,
everything.
bust a dance, let me say. Bust a dance.
No.
Yes, man, come Daddy, go Daddy. Come now, Daddy, before we go to the break.
Yesterday.
Lieutenant Levy's gonna take us to the break. Quick, what are you giving us, Daddy?
Yesterday, the guys were jamming.
Yeah, they have to get up and show me.
Playing the drums and singing. So
Yeah.
they say, Mr. Levy, bust a tune, man.
Yeah.
So because I say, my can't have to live. I can't have to live.
On second thoughts, we should have didn't go to the break before that moment. All right. So we want to thank Nicole. Thank you for nominating Daddy. It's great meeting him. Sergeant Scott, I look forward to you being a super dad in the future and mentoring others as well.
Way in the future, though.
And we're in the future, Sergeant. And awesome meeting you, Daddy.
Thanks.
We're gonna take a break. We'll be right back. Daddy, now sing no more of the cadet.
As long as you don't dirty wine, I'm good.
Don't sing no more.